welcome to my channel Talkative Lavanya, and today I have got 10 new smart phrases for you to speak in a daily life conversation. So friends, let's begin. So friends, our first one is come on rise and shine. Its meaning in Hindi is जागो और कुछ काम करो. I will give you an example of my family. Okay? I usually say come on rise and shine to my brother. So I thought to share it with you also. He sleeps while I get ready for school. And I say come on rise and shine. जागो और कुछ काम करो. But he don't listen to me anyway. So friends, our next one is walk in the park. Its meaning in Hindi is आसान काम और बाएं हाथ का खेल. Making videos is like walking in the park for me. वीडियो बनाना मेरे लिए बाएं हाथ का खेल है और आसान काम है. Okay? So our next one is hit the books. Its meaning is not that book को मारना. Its meaning is that पढ़ना. Okay? Reading, which you usually say reading. Suppose that I came back from school and I am reading a book. Okay? What will you say it in English? You will say she came back from school and is reading a book. That doesn't sound very smart. So you can say she came back from school and is hitting the books. Okay? So our next one is cooking up a storm. Its meaning is not that तूफान बनाना. Its meaning is that बहुत सारा खाना बनाना. So I will also try to give you a family example. My family's example in this one also. Suppose in my house today is a party, but in real there is not a party. Okay? Suppose that in my home a party is going on and my mother will cook up a storm. मानो कि मेरे घर पार्टी है और मेरी मम्मी बहुत सारा खाना बनाएगी. Okay? So I have given you the example in Hindi and English. So friends, our next one will be out to lunch. Its meaning is not that lunch खाना. Its meaning is that किसी चीज के बारे में खो जाना. किसी चीज के बारे में सोच कर खो जाना. So I will give you an example. Okay? Once I saw my dress that I wore in my uncle's wedding, and then I was out to lunch in that dress. It means that मैंने एक ड्रेस देखी. मुझे याद आया वह ड्रेस मैंने अपनी मामा की शादी में पहनी. So मैं उसके बारे में सोचकर खो गई. I was out to lunch. Okay? So our next one should be watch the box. Watch the box meaning is TV देखना. When I come back from school, I hit the books, then I watch the box. Okay? When you speak this to your friend won't be able to recognize this sentence. You will say, watch the box? Which box? Which box do you watch? We have many boxes in the houses. But you don't change your mind that my friend is saying right. Watch the box is not a sentence. It is, she is telling a lie and you end up saying something wrong English. Okay? So I'm just telling you that. So our next one is cat nap. Won't I be tired when I watch the box for so long? Then I take a cat nap. Cat nap's meaning is कुछ देर के लिए सो रहा. I come back from school, hit the books, watch the books, and take a cat nap. And so friends, our next one is me time. Its meaning is that अपने लिए समय बिताना. Okay? Me time. What will I do after the cat nap? After the cat nap, I study and then I can spend my me time. Its meaning is that मैं कुछ देर के सोने के बाद पढ़ाई करके और फिर उसके बाद मैं अपना वो समय बिता सकती हूँ जो सिर्फ मेरे लिए अपने लिए समय. Okay? So friends, our next one is to burn the midnight oil. Its meaning is not that आधी रात का तेल गर्म करना. Its meaning is that देर रात तक मेहनत करना. During the exams, I burn the midnight oil. एग्जाम के टाइम मैं देर रात तक मेहनत करती. Okay? So it was just an example. So our next one should be ready to crash out. Its meaning is not that you can crash anywhere. Its meaning is that थकने की वजह से तुरंत सो जाना कहीं भी. You don't care about the place. And you can sleep anywhere, even on the floor. So its meaning is that after the exams, I was ready to crash out. Exam देने के बाद, पेपर देने के बाद, मैं इतनी थक गई थी कि मैं कहीं भी सो सकती थी. So friends, I hope you loved this video, and if you did love this video, so please like, subscribe and share this video on this video, every and each of our videos with your family, friends